This is the interlocking aluminum foil production line manufactured by ZXJ Machinery. Here is the aluminum foil folding machine section, which includes two models, AF680 and AF980. The AF680 model supports a maximum raw material width of 610 millimeters, while the AF980 model accommodates up to 915 millimeters. The machine produces 400 to 500 sheets per minute per column, supporting multi-column simultaneous operation. Taking the AF980 as an example, when using 915 mm wide raw material to produce 9-inch finished products, it can operate 4 columns simultaneously. The aluminum foil embossing patterns can be customized using specially designed embossing rollers. Production status and parameter settings are monitorable and controllable via the touchscreen. The machine is equipped with safety light curtains to ensure operator protection. It employs a dot counting system for accurate production tracking. The finished product dimensions are 273 millimeters in length customizable and 9-inch or 12-inch width adjustable, with V-shaped interfolding technology enabling continuous dispensing. After compaction, products can be manually transferred to the automatic cartoning machine, which packages 30-80 boxes per minute under standard operation, or 80-120 boxes at high speed. The cartoner supports a maximum package size of 240 x 140 x 90 mm, and a minimum of 105 x 75 x 30 mm. Controlled by PLC, the system allows real-time production monitoring and parameter adjustments via the touchscreen. Format changeover takes only 10-20 minutes. It utilizes an electronic laser eye to position the aluminum foil, followed by a secondary compaction process. The machine then automatically grips, opens, and fills the carton with the foil. Subsequently sealing it with hot melt adhesive. Resulting in neat and aesthetically pleasing packaged products. Upon request, the production line can be further integrated with an automatic case erector sealer and palletizer. For additional technical specifications, please contact us.